Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're discussing, are your flood insurance rates in Birmingham, Alabama or surrounding areas going to go up when you file a claim? Especially here, like areas like Smith Lake. You could see that a flood claim recently in the last couple of years in this area, what kind of impact is it going to have? That's what we're going to discuss today. So we're talking about filing a flood insurance claim and long-term rates. What kind of impact could it have? We're going to talk about the National Flood Insurance Program and private carriers as well. Now with the National Flood Insurance Program, depending on if this is your first claim or not, it may not have much impact. However, with Risk Rating 2.0, say this was your second claim within the last 20 years on this property. Then during the 20-year look back, claim variable is what they call it. This could be a big rating factor on your renewals where you could see significant rate increases. Now, what about private flood insurance? With private flood insurance, you might even see things like a non-renewal. You see a lot of private companies non-renew a policy after a larger claim. When we talk about larger, we're talking about things generally more than $25,000. So you may have been non-renewed because of this claim. If you have, though, don't worry, there are still other private flood insurance options that will insure a property that has flooded. So what about the National Flood Insurance Program? Is there much you can do there with that rate increase? Many times there's not if it's part of this new claims variable for Risk Rating 2.0. So should you file this claim? It really depends financially on your situation. But what we tell most people is you really want to save flood insurance for a catastrophic situation. Maybe something where you've got to claim more than $15,000, $20,000 because these claims stay on the life of the property forever in the Birmingham, Alabama area. So if you've got questions about flood insurance claims, long-term impacts, short-term impacts in areas like Smith Lake or Birmingham, Alabama, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.